This system warns you that you risk entering into a collision with the vehicle in front of you, a pedestrian, or depending on the model, a cyclist. It reduces your 308 speed in order to avoid the collision or reduce its severity. By default, each time you start the vehicle, this system is automatically activated. The system can be neutralized via the ADAS application on the touchscreen. The system's deactivation is indicated by the illumination of this light, along with a visual message. This system comprises 3 functions: collision risk alert, intelligent emergency braking assistance, and active safety brake. Collision risk alert warns you if your 308 risks entering into a collision with the vehicle in front of you, a pedestrian or a cyclist in its lane. You can define the sensitivity with which the function warns you of the collision risk. To do so, use the ADAS application on the touchscreen. Select one of the 3 predefined thresholds: far, medium, or near. The threshold selected is memorized when the ignition is cut. Several levels of alert can be triggered and displayed on the digital cluster. Level 1 is a visual alert indicating that the vehicle in front of you is very close. The message "Close obstacle" is displayed. Level 2 is a red visual alert and alarm indicating that a collision is imminent. The message "Brake" is displayed. Intelligent emergency braking assistance reinforces braking if you do not brake sharply enough to avoid a collision. This assistance is only activated if the driver presses the brake pedal. Finally, the active safety brake functions after the alerts if you do not react quickly enough or you do not brake. The system aims to reduce impact speed and avoid collision if you do not act. The active safety brake operates under the following conditions: if your 308 is not traveling at over 80 kilometers an hour when a pedestrian is detected, if your 308 is not traveling at over 80 kilometers an hour when a stationary vehicle or cyclist is detected, this light flashes for around 10 seconds as soon as the function acts on your 308's brakes. With an automatic gearbox, in the case of emergency braking that brings the car to a halt, you must keep your foot on the brake pedal to stop the vehicle from moving again. With a manual gearbox, in the case of emergency braking that brings the car to a halt, the engine may stall. At all times, you can maintain control of your 308 by turning the steering wheel firmly or pressing the accelerator.